Welcome to Module 1 of the Power User course. In this module, we'll enjoy a quick tour of the WorkFusion Smart Process Automation ecosystem. If you're a business user, you will gain an understanding of the essentials of the WorkFusion Smart Process Automation system. Get ready to learn about the main elements of the WorkFusion Smart Process Automation, including Control Tower, the main application that runs robotic process automation, WorkFusion Studio and the Robotic Process Automation Script Recorder, Workspace, the online application to manage work queues and complete manual tasks, and Platform Monitor, the online application that manages system health and bot status. WorkFusion has a complete vision for intelligent automation. WorkFusion made it its mission to provide productivity without limit. We bring intelligent automation to the market starting with our flagship product called Smart Process Automation, or SPA. This product makes it easy for operations teams to get all smart automation capabilities, from robotics to OCR to cognitive to workflow, all in one easy-to-use package. This product makes it possible to extend SPA automations with conversational capabilities. We also offer a free product called RPA Express, which makes robotics capabilities available free of charge. Smart Process Automation main features are Control Tower is a main application to run robotic process automation. WorkFusion Studio and RPA Recorder are desktop applications to record, code, test, and troubleshoot bots. Workspace is an online application to manage work queues and complete manual tasks. Platform Monitor is an online application to manage system health and monitor bot status. All of these applications are interconnected. A bit later in the course, we'll review each of them in more detail. When a process requires action to be completed in one or more business applications, automation does this with a software robot known as a bot. What is the anatomy of robotic automation? In WorkFusion, this starts in WorkFusion Control Tower, which is a centralized server-based application that manages all automation across the enterprise. WorkFusion Control Tower takes control of the business process and directs the bot to complete the necessary actions. To do this, Control Tower accesses the desktop. This could be an actual physical desktop that the person is using as a workstation, which is called attended automation, or this could be a virtual desktop that nobody is attending to, which is called unattended automation. WorkFusion puts the bot in the desktop, launches the necessary application, be it a browser application, native desktop applications, a mainframe or a Citrix app, and has the software robot perform a sequence of actions as the person would. If the actions encounter an exception, this could be due to some input errors, or if the application behaves in an unexpected fashion, then the exception is routed to a person and is then completed manually in the WorkFusion Workspace application. An audit trail is maintained for all the actions performed by the bot and by the person and is reported back to the control tower, and the process resumes. So while from the outside it looks like all the work is performed by the computer, behind the scenes WorkFusion is orchestrating all the work carried out by the robotic bots and the people, and making sure that the processes are executed fast and on time, 7 days a week. In this anatomy we discussed bot tasks, which are those performed by software robots called bots. However, some tasks may generate exceptions or have complexity issues that make bot tasking impractical. These tasks are called manual tasks. Manual tasks have as their main goal performing exception handling or delivering results for tasks that would not benefit from automation. Let's review some key definitions. A business process is a set of manual or bot tasks. Tasks are units of work assigned to workers. Workers may be public workers delivering services from the cloud, or private internal workers such as contractors, subject matter experts, or other employees. The main goal of a task is to take initial raw data, such as a CSV file, and structure, enrich, or check that data according to a set of business rules. People complete manual tasks, while bot tasks use computer automation. Bot task data manipulation examples include parsing, extraction, transformation, and loading. Finally, composite rules define the decisions guiding business processes composed of manual and bot tasks. Composite rules define the decisions guiding business processes composed of manual and bot tasks.